Oh, it dropped off my wall.
Yeah. That's the face of disappointment right there.
Which one?
Both of them. And it peeled off the paint. We got to paint a piece over back. On Fire Fam, we are back at it, going strong. Well, we're going anyway. Sonia's reminiscing on what used to be those days of ironing. Did you iron your own clothes too?
Huh?
You iron your own clothes too? Yeah.
Well, if I get new uniform, I'm gonna iron it first, but after that, I can myself.
Yeah, so she's commented that this morning we don't have to iron uniforms in the U.S. No,
Some states wear uniforms though.
Right, but our kids went to public education where they could wear just about whatever they wanted within reason, and so we're now getting back in the habit of ironing uniforms in the morning again. I would dare I say it's a bit therapeutic, perhaps. Anyway. We're going to get started today, so enjoy your cold-ish weather, and hopefully you got hot water where you're at, otherwise, whoo! Okay, this is Dave's technique for softening polish in the morning. Not sure I totally approve, but yeah, it's just, as they say. Dave? I don't think it's a candle, dude.
You know, I polish.
It's soft now. Good. Cool. Yep, Dave went to go bathe but never turned on the water pump. We'll see how long it takes him to figure that out. What's up? Oh, you forgot the pump. Okay. I guess I'll get it. Okay, this is our new adventure. Tie and ties in the morning now. Sonia style. Careful. Careful. Okay. Still got it, dear. We gotta go. Yeah, somebody forgot this. We'll see how long it takes them to remember. The search continues.
Why you taking your phone?
Because you forgot it.
After my video. Are you serious? That's not even funny.
It is hilarious. Now we can go. Honey, if he's going to be a prefect, he needs to remember it for himself, not when somebody reminds him. Now we can go. Alright, ready for your spellings? Pragmatic.
So,
To spell.
you
You spelled it last week. You forgot all your words already? Okay. Vindictive. Oh boy. Done. Wash the puddle. There he goes, off to school in the taxi in the quick drive-by. Man, didn't even wave. Rude. kids. Oh well. Okay, we did a little chores. We call that bonding time. And now we're going to plant this. Look at that egg crate, multifunctional. These are our sorrel seeds that obviously came with the sorrel. But we're finishing up chores. Time to plant some sorrel. There's only one person to ask. Okay, Google, plant sorrel.
On the website rhs.org.uk, they say, in spring, sow a few seeds in a small pot, 1 centimeter deep. When the seedlings are large enough to handle, move them into individual pots. Keep in a warm, bright spot and water regularly. The young outside.
Anyway, we're just going to take the seeds and throw them in there. My wife's method. Ready for my wife's method? Honey, how do you plant sorrel?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. I have a plant some seeds.
How do you plant anything?
Put them in a pot and wait till them burst.
Really? You don't just throw them out the ground and watch them grow?
No, unless you want to go easy way. Boy.
All right, easy way it is. Yes, okay, I know what you're thinking. No, I'm not going to highlight the ground, but I am going to use that to poke some holes in the ground. My wife, she was all like, just grab the machete. And I'm like, I'm not, this is not machete level yet, man. I got to work my way up to the machete. But let's take a look and see what we got. So, we got some sorrel coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, how you doing? 7. So, let's plant some sorrel. That's not working. I'm gonna be here all day. I'm going for the machete. Still got some cultural differences to try to explain to my wife. She's, what do you put in your hair to get it so oily? And I'm like, Sonia, this is all natural hair oil, man. That's what happens. You don't wash it for a couple days. All right, machete's ready. Let's try this again. Whew. Okay, planted a good amount. I wanted to show you guys the farm update real quick with my impressive farm shoes. Still working on, but good news is things are coming up. Lettuce looking rather nice so far. The chickens haven't found too much of it, I guess. We got some scallions coming in nicely. And I'm just continuously impressed at how fast this stuff grows. Like our tomatoes. How you doing, tomatoes? Pop choy. Pop choy's getting big. Tomatoes. Callaloo. Come to find out, somebody asked where the callaloo was. Found it. Thyme's coming in nicely. More callaloo. More callaloo. Callaloo everywhere. Tomato. Pop choy. Whoa, pop choy. Pepper. Ooh, and check out these tomatoes, man. Got them staked up. Raring to go. No, you need a stake, sir. We got some good rain yesterday, thankfully. No water unnecessary. We're probably gonna get some more rain today, but those are my Scotch bonnets, looking nice and mean. Well, that looks like a regular one. Over here, Cucumber, looking really happy. More Pepper, how you doing? More Cucumber. Pepper not looking so happy, but he'll be all right. Yeah, check you out. There you go. You get a slow-mo, dude. You look great. Hold. Yeah, I would say all in all, the farm life is looking pretty good. Check out our peppers here. Man. Growing and growing, man. That's what they're doing. Sweet. Ha, literally, sweet. Oh, fun fact, by the way. If the chickens decide not to eat this, this is our cabbage. That looks like the chickens have had their day with, but a couple of them still surviving. We'll see how it goes. I know, right? Whew, what's next? Plenty of these guys left over. I think we're gonna just let them dry out in the sun and plant them when we're ready. Cool.
Hey, what's up? What's going on?
Trying to shoot an infomercial.
Commercial.
I was showing off my favorite shampoo that people need to know what happens. Yes, Head and Shoulders. Not just any Head and Shoulders. Cool menthol. Made for those of us with some dry scalp issues. Takes care of the head and the shoulders in a soothing menthol, refreshing feeling.
I hope you enjoy your shampoo.
I do, thank you. Hope you enjoy your shampoo too. So one thing I need everybody to understand is that Sonia loves these shirts that say stuff on her chest area, and every day it's a different saying. Today, gotta love your sequins. Wanna do a little Coke commercial? Do like a little slow-mo to the side? Go.
What?
You're supposed to drink the soda to the side. Give us your best Cindy Crawford.
The Coke to the side.
Yes.
Like this?
No, that's in front, on the side.
That side?
Yes. No, oh boy. I mean, much. You're doing great. Anyway, gotta show them how it's done.
That's not the side, that's the front of your mouth.
Honey, I didn't say the side of your mouth. I said you gotta turn your head to the side. Coke, if you guys need a sponsor, let us know.
I said drink it to the side, that's what I said. I never said turn your head to the side.
Oh boy.
You need to
We're ready to go, right?
get your statement and paragraphs are.
Yeah, sure. Okay, we're at 2D's enjoying some lunch. Beetroot style with ginger. Nice. Morning, sir.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I gotta point this out. This Hawaiian shirt. That's where our house was. Right there. Nice. And Sonia's gonna go shopping. No, just enjoying the Sonia shopping experience. Yep. Okay, bad news. I tried it on. It doesn't fit. It's not meant to be. Next time. Okay, see what happens when you wash the hair, dear? All that natural oil gone. It's back to Poofyville. That's the face of jealousy right there. How you doing? I was gonna make her a wig once, but should never wear it. Gonna go find some tarpaulin, also known as a tarp. And Sonia decided to pick up some pants. How do you like them apples? Okay, here we go into her favorite store. Pray for me. Instead of tarpaulin, she's gone for the mattress protector. Full. Great. Mm-hmm. We're gonna get out of here before the rain comes, right, dear? Sweet.
You're not going to the supermarket, right?
Nope. Okay, see that? She can carry all her stuff in one hand in one bag. We're getting better here, son.
Yes, we are.
We're getting better. Man, let's go home. Enjoying the show that you're putting on, man. Man, I thought we were gonna be home. Apparently we're making soup today. Sweet. We did it. Made it back. One bag. See those? Those are free hands right there. This is a rarity, ladies and gentlemen. Put this in your book. Sonia is not carrying a bag after we've gone shopping.
Nope.
Oh, how do you feel?
Good.
Yeah?
At least I go buy what I want.
Yeah, she got jeans pants and other stuff.
Oh, is it Mario? Yeah, Mario. Anyone
We made
buy.
it. That's right. These are the chickens in my garden. Chickening away. Yep. Chicken run. Oh, there's more. They called their friends. Oh. Yo. Get out of my garden. I mean, look at that. If anybody wants, we're having chicken tonight. Oh boy. Well, the irony of that is technically we are having, what are we having? Chicken foot and pig's tail? I don't know. Sonia's making a masterpiece. We're gonna call it Sonia's Special Soup. Starring the chicken feet and the pig's tail and Sonia at her finest. Doing great, dear. Just being rude. Where are you going? Apparently I don't know. This is not how the chicken run is supposed to go. Yes. Oh boy, how'd that go? One more time? I can't, wow. Honey, you gotta, one more time. Let's see this magical moment here. Sonia coming off the ground. Get him. Go on now. Let's see it. How'd it go? Last try. Wow. That was something. Okay, I don't know which is worse, the chicken or the dog. But apparently the dog chases off the chicken, so. Ooh. There's a storm coming. Cool. All right, Sonia's giving us the chicken foot. Oh,
What?
give us the chicken foot. Hold on. Camera's...
Wrong way?
No, I'm trying to. Okay. What's the story on the chicken foot, dear? Right, but what do you got to do for the chicken foot? Okay, step one.
Cut them off.
Cut off the feet. They're just.
Cut off it, throw them off and...
Okay. Okay, trim the nails. Sweet. We interrupt this pigtail cutting to come to you live. The sorrel seeds have. What do they have? What have they done? The sorrel seeds of what?
When them dry, the pod open up.
Yes.
That's inside of it.
This is how smart I am. I was like,
Plant.
honey, I'm trying to. Oh boy.
No,
I planted this.
well,
Why are you
I
laughing?
don't know. You plant that.
Yeah.
Lucky come.
Anyway, so this is not the seed. Oh, why are you?
No.
It's still blurry. Hold on. Focus. Doesn't want to focus. There. Yeah, this is not the seed. Turns out, when the sorrel thing dries. Come on, autofocus. Yeah, it lets. There's the seeds inside of the whatever you call this thing. And now we have sorrel seeds. Man, gonna have an interesting adventure coming up if those things come up. But hey, you learn something new every day. Go drown your sorrows. Yeah, back to the pig cutting. That's hot, dear. Oh boy. There you go.
On YouTube. Sure. Check out.
I don't get anymore.
Okay, full disclosure, bought a couple more things for the back room. Wanted to show you guys, check them out. Ha! Fooled you. You thought we were going to the back room. Well, kind of hard to do that when you grab the wrong set of keys. Problems. Let me go grab the right set. We'll try this again. Got him. I know what you're thinking. You're like, wait, isn't that the same set of keys? No, we had a great idea. Buy the same key ring for two different sets of keys and expect to know which one's different. There we go. We got a curtain up and ready to go. Fortunately, bathroom's ready to go, the shower curtain. But then I found some bad news. We tried the double-sided tape method. Yeah, that didn't work so well. I even tried it for this soap dispenser here. Man, soap dispenser. Sonia's gonna be thrilled. And we gotta repaint this now too. This is what happens. I got a great idea. Let's use double-sided sticky tape. Wah, wah, wah. Oh well, the show will go on and the place is looking ready to go, minus the tape. Cool. Alright, I gotta tell her, take off the Band-Aid.
Oh, I drop off my wall.
Yeah. That's the face of disappointment right there.
Which one? The...
Both of them. And it peeled off the paint. We gotta paint a piece over back.
In a tile it area?
Yeah.
You tile it. Can't mind down there.
Still sticks to you, dear.
No, take off.
Goodbye. Don't be fooled, man. Don't let that sad face fool you. She was like, I've got a great idea. How about since you're going down there, you put on the mattress cover that we bought today. And you can bring my toilet paper holder and we'll get a new one. It's like, great. I got a great idea. Let's give myself more work to do. Can't hear you. I've already left. Bye. I'm gonna go work now. Whatever you say, dear. Struggle's real. Take 2. So we'll put this here. You go over there. Cool. Cool. Not easy to do. That works. That goes there. She said to carry this one back upstairs. Alright, so we'll just touch up that. Good as new. Okay, who said you can't teach an old dog new tricks? One mattress officially covered. Sweet. Man, Sonia watched the uniform for Dave for tomorrow. Come in his room to hang it up. And this is what I see. We failed. We failed, Sonia. He didn't make the bed this morning. He didn't. Well, you told me. Well, why are you telling me? You should tell him.
Why you make it feel?
I'm not making his bed. We've got expectations tomorrow morning. Bedtime. Making the bed before he runs off to school. We failed. Is that too much to ask? Wait. Can't wait to talk to him about this. Unbelievable. Okay, Sonia's determined here. Hold on. She said, I've got a great place for this toilet paper holder. It'll stick right to this.
Oh, it's not holding.
What? You're doing great, dear.
Oh,
Yeah, look at that. It's... Oh?
Let's see if it's stuff.
This is... Oh, boy. Okay, note to self. No more buying sticky suction cup stuff, because they're not suctioning. We tried. It was 5 minutes later. And look at Miss Determined here. Still going. Wow. Honey, I'm just admiring your determination here. If you spent as much time on a toilet paper holder as you did, I don't know.
I did on what?
I don't know, something amazing. You would do amazing things. How's it going? Can we get a first? Oh no. It's still in your head.
It's stick here.
Oh yeah, it's...
No, it's stick up here.
That's a great place for a toilet paper holder. Wow. Can we go?
I can't stick.
That's not gonna stick to me, dear.
What?
Yes. Determination at its finest. Yep, another 5 minutes later. Miss Determined over here claims the soap dish is holding. You did such a good job. It's not holding, dear. Put some soap on it. You don't even have a bar of soap. But just put the container on it. Oh boy. Uh-huh. It's beautiful. And you're still going. Nothing outlasts the Energizer Bunny like Sonia in a toilet paper roll holder.
Uh-oh.
I think we need to let it go.
Sure. The one kind of suck too.
Oh, it sucks, alright. Alright, I give up on the toilet paper holder. How you doing? Evening. Okay. That's not my question. My question is, where's your tie? Alright, next question. Did you make your bed this morning? No? Nice. Did you get your crest?
Yeah.
Cool. Sup, Craig?
Aduh, kasih balik.
She's not perfect, but she should be dry by tomorrow. And all will be one with the universe. And we'll be good. Yay. Okay, kitty. That's right, walk away slowly, or I'll come to you. You better run. Okay, I see you. Looking all innocent. Make sure you leave my plants alone, you hear? Alright, good talk. That's what I didn't want to show. I wanted to show you guys this. Big old tomato here. Oh, I am way too zoomed. Hold on. It's not working. Okay, come on, use the camera. Let's go. There we go. Yeah, check it out, man. Ready for prime time. Objects in the camera are larger than they appear. Cool. She's asking for the official taste test.
Okay, I guess you don't want my...
No, I don't want your spoon.
Okay.
Bring your own spoon to the taste test part. Okay.
Disappear.
Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Yes, but no, but...
Here we go. Man, honey. Oh, it's good. Wow. It's my life. Sucks. Meanwhile, while the boys romp in the yard, Sonia's still determined. She thinks that double-sided tape and that toilet paper holder are meant to be together.
Yep.
I'm gonna enjoy my soup.
Yep, you enjoy soup.
I like to eat my food when it's hot. Sonia likes to cook the food, and then she likes to let it cool, and then she likes to reheat it, and then it's good. Nice. Time to eat. Okay, you know the problem with Sonia making soup, you gotta go back for seconds, of course. Then you gotta go for a walk while the kids are playing to walk it off. How you doing?
I'm good.
Walking and cleaning your teeth at the same time. Multitasking, dear. I'm impressed. Careful, careful.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Cool. Not a bad sunset. Behind us. Just talking to myself. Who's got a soup review? Some quality soup feedback. Andre, how's the soup?
Nice.
Ooh, it's nice. Greg, how's the soup? It's nice and it's bad. You in here? Wow. That's a bad, huh? It's bad, that bad. It's so bad it's good. You know how you know the soup is good? Because you walk out here and you get some people and some dogs just happy to wait for the bones. Nice. Alright, try not to make a mess, please, and thank you. Full disclosure time, we invested in a gaming system that is a bittersweet for our existence. Check it out. That's right, the Game Stick 4K Life. I don't know, but here's the box. So it's got 2 wireless controllers. For those that know, these are like PS2 versions. Not horrible. Wireless, which is nice. But this thing's got like 11,000 supposedly games on it. And it's kind of loud for all those different systems.
Oh, yeah.
And the great thing about it is it's basically got all the classic games from Nintendo, Game Boy, Super Nintendo, even some PlayStation OG games. So, look dear, we're modeling it together. We call this the elbow armpit sniff. Anyway, yeah, it's got all the classic games that these young whippersnappers don't know anything about. So I'm that kind of person that doesn't like to lose a lot of games. So unless we play a game where we're on the same side, it's on, and it's good to know I still got it. All right, sir. All right, Andre, you got to push start, man. Sorry. Yo, you got to push start. Okay, it's about to get real. Choose your country, Andre. Yeah, you're gonna be Italy? Cool. A button. Man, these kids don't even know how to use these controllers. All right, get them. Good job, on. There you go. You're passing. Hit the other button. Hit A. Shoot. Man, these kids got so much to learn. Oh well. Man, sometimes you want something done right, you just gotta show them how it's done. These kids playing the classics tonight. Get them. Get them. Ooh, ooh. All right, I got winner. True story.
Why jumping? What are you doing?
Hey, the people need to know, man. Want to tell them what's going on? Want to talk about it? I think we need to be truthful.
What? So you can't find any I tried for this to them, yeah? When in that, I don't know what they fix them I say.
What she's trying to say.
It's come from China.
What she's trying to say is, Dave got his patches for school, and Saint Sonia is trying to figure out how to sew them on her pocket, and it's been over a decade since she's done this. So, hi, honey. You're doing great.
Oh, yes, we did
Okay, well, we'll check back with you in a little bit and hope for the best. Oh boy. All right, well, hopefully sometime tonight sometimes it's the little things in life. Meanwhile, Dave found the measuring tape and he's having his own fun. Oh boy. All right, we'll cue the time lapse, dear, because I think you're going to be here a while. You got this. Okay, good luck. Dave's stepping up here saying, I know how to thread the needle. Cue the suspenseful music.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't lose it. All right, dear. Get that patch. It's all you. Whew.
Where I went to devotion and sing a song. Then I went to my class and took out my reading book. After reading, it was bedtime. I went around the bookshop and bought some cornflakes. After that, it was time to go in back. When I got inside, I took out my language book and did my work. Then it was time to go home. This was my day.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job. Dave. Sit down, Dave. What? What? That just happened. That just... He still got it. It's okay, Dave. It's okay. You tried hard. Good try. He still got it. Good night. I'm going out of here.